So I was actually gonna replace the brakes, but then once I open up this, what do you call them? Drum brakes, I think. Once I opened these up, I started to see that, oh, it's actually, the brakes don't need to be replaced. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get, because there's a little squeaky noise, I guess, that my wife hears. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just clean all this, and then I'm gonna take these little pins out, because what it may be, and I'm gonna lubricate them with brake lubricant. But because what it may be is it's just rubbing as there's pressure applied to this. So it could just be rubbing and making a little squeaky noise. So once I clean all this off and I lubricate those, put them back in, we're just gonna go from there and see how it goes. We probably need one. This would be best. Just push that in. So what we want to do is we want to keep this like this so we know which way to put it back in. Just turn that to the side and that should release. There you go, just like that. So this side's going to be like this. So we're just going to put that to the side and we'll just pop those back on just like that. Now we want to take this pin out of here. I'm just gonna, this is what we're gonna want to lubricate. So you just want to put that right here on the back of this. And I'm gonna just use my finger like this. Just make sure it's lubed up. And so now this being lubricated like this, when it goes back, it shouldn't be like squeaking. So that's the goal there. All right, so we want to put that back in. So first, I'm going to just hold the back here. That's the other way. Okay, like that. And we're going to take the spring, put that on like that. Now we're going to take the other part and we're just gonna push this in and then turn it sideways so that it's resting just like that in the groove. There we go, just like that. Now that's back on. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. There we go. Release from there. Put this down like that. Take this off. And we're going to do the same thing to this. That now resting in there. So now that it's lubricated and all cleaned up, hopefully we don't have no problems. We don't have no squeaking noises and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just put the drum back on and we should be good on this side. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side just in case the squeaking noise is coming from there too. And it's also good to get like the dirt out, clean all that dirt out of there so there's nothing interfering with the brake system. Out, we're just gonna pop this on like this. Alright. And just go ahead and bad boy back in. be good. Make sure it ain't coming off. Now we can put our tire back on. A little easier. Put my legs down here and lift up. Yeah. Just like that, holding with my feet. And we're gonna take these, start up top. Just hand tighten them real quick. Now I'm using my feet to keep this straight, so we're not screwing it in and it's like off. It's all plushed in. All right, I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna tighten the rest up. All right, now we are going to take this out. I'm gonna lift that up. I dropped this down. So these are held by these little forks here inside of here. When you're ready to drop that down, you just lift up, pull that up. Okay, now take this out, and you just turn to the left. All right. Now goes down. Pull that out of there. And now we just come back here. I want to make sure these. I'm just using my weight. Push down on this. Make sure those are tight. So now those are all tight. Now I can move to the other side.